Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix right-click slow or keeps loading forever on Windows 8, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand ShellX. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all folders except new and work folders. Close and exit registry.